help me read my paper, please?
Of course. What's the assignment?
Family history.
Your paper is, no offense, kind of bland. It feels like it's missing something.
Like what?
You know, like, what did your grandparents do, or how did they grow up? You could probably talk about how they met each other. Oh, you told me that your grandmother named you, right? You could probably write about that as well.
You know, to be honest, I don't really know much about my grandparents. My grandfather passed away in Laos, and my grandmother passed away right before my first birthday. All I knew is that they were both farmers, and that my grandmother fled to America for a better life. And then poof, I'm here. I mean, yeah, she did name me Doug, but I don't think there was any special reason as to why she called me that.
There's definitely something more to it than just that. Weren't you ever curious enough to talk about them with your dad?
Of course there was. But he always gets so sad talking about them, and I hate seeing him like that. Plus, he's also really busy, so I don't have time.
Come on, you at least have to try. It would be like meeting someone new.
Yes.
Wow, is this your grandma?
Yeah, there are loads more back at home.
There's a story behind this photo. I just know it. I mean, look at her beautiful smile.
You know what? You're right. She deserves more credit than this. I'll call my dad as soon as possible.
Well, since that's settled, I'm gonna head to bed. Good night.
Night. Hey Dad, I know it's kind of late, but I just had a couple questions about Grandma for this paper that I'm writing. Just get back to me whenever you can. I love you, Mom, and I miss you both. Good night.
Ooh, a cat video. Oh.
Wait, don't guys in a relationship? Goals. If you had one, what would you wish for? You know, Grandma, if I had one wish, I totally wish to meet you. What exactly was the reason behind that smile? I don't remember putting any drops in my mattress. And that was the rooster, right? Oh, Allie!
You're up quite early.
Oh, who are you?
My name is Paul.
Why are you in my apartment?
But it is you who is in my home.
Wait, where am I?
You're in the house.
That's impossible. Well, I want to go home. I need to go home. How do I get home?
You can only go home after you have finished your test. For now, you're at my niece who came from 3 mountains over to take care of you.
You knew I was coming?
Yes, and I'm the guy who took it. For now, call me Uncle.
And why should I trust you?
Because your home is 80 years away and you do want to go home, right?
80 years? Wait, I'm 80 years away from home? You know?
Here, catch up with the others who
Wait, what do you mean I'm 80 years away
Why
from
are you
home?
shouting? The last thing you want to do is draw attention to yourself.
But I don't understand. I don't understand any of this.
You have much to learn.
Okay. Would you be alright if you woke up in a stranger's home?
I see, you are correct. Even though I'm a stranger, I'm the only one who you can trust.
Then what do? How do I get home?
That's for you to figure out. Your first step is to blend in and work hard.
Can you just please tell me why I was sent here?
Child, you're not listening at all. I've already told you will soon find out why you're sent here. Now hurry and go.
Hey! Oh, no, right? It's like you, the person on the Mars.
What guy know my name?
Actually,
Nothing. Thank you. Your name is Becky? Yeah, I am Zed, and I am here to take care of my dad.
that's nice of you.
Yeah, it's very nice to meet you, huh? It's not like I have a choice.
Well, I hope you're ready. It's gonna be a very, very long.
So, your parents own the farm, huh? How far away is it exactly?
Good choice today. We should get there right as the sun begins to rise.
Okay.
Yeah, shut down. It's this way. What are you doing?
I'm gonna shout on my son.
Don't mind her. She shouldn't be here with us, but she begged my parents. She's lucky they were kind enough to let her work for her food.
Who is she?
이름이 좋았어. Don't mind her. What's up? Here. 저쪽 앞에 오나 봐. Let's go eat, everyone. Hey, come on.
Kind of. I wasn't really expecting this word when I woke up this morning.
Well, you did good. John, I'll be back. I'll be having a surprise.
일단 밥 먹자, 알아? 나? 매일 생각하면, 응?
What are you doing? She doesn't deserve to eat that.
근데 시켰잖아.
Then give it to me. I worked hard today. It's okay. I'll just eat the rest. Thank you.
얘 그때가 까먹었대요. Save it for tomorrow, okay?
But she ate it. Haven't I already done enough for you? But you please touch me. I said stop. Do you want to stop working for my parents? Then be grateful for what they were giving you.
어, 그전에 가고 있어.
고추장 깔라.
I heard you did really good at the farm today. You're a fast learner.
You didn't really give me any other options.
Something on your mind?
There was an orphan girl on the farm, and she looked very familiar, but I don't remember where I've seen her before. Am I supposed to help her?
What you choose to do is what you do.
Aren't you supposed to be my guide or something?
Well, after just looking awesome.
What are you talking about? I don't even have one. Wait, Grandma? Wait, what am I supposed to do? Let me guess. My grandma was an orphan? She must have been so lonely.
She goes soon now. It's getting late.
But how can I when she needs my help?
Yeah, and the best thing for you to do is to go to sleep.
Dad, see? Can't you see how sad I am? How lonely I am? I don't belong here. I belong with the both of you. What's my reason for being here? This is my life.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where I can find God?
God the orphan?
Yeah.
Your Jimmy, I put on that.
눈 열어.
She lives in that small house over there.
저는?
저기야.
God?
Oh, you're,
고현서.
yeah, the girl who gave me her lunch. You shouldn't be talking to me. The villagers will shame on you.
But
Please go and don't come back.
no, you didn't help. Let's just go. You know, if you want to go first, then go.
Thank you for helping me and giving me food yesterday.
저리야, 괜찮아, 싫어.
But why are you helping me? Aren't you scared? Scared of what the other villagers are going to think of you?
But they don't even know me.
And if you keep that up, nobody's going to want to get to know you.
What did you care?
Look, why? Who are you?
I'm just a girl who's here to take care of herself. You know, you don't deserve to be treated like that. After everything you've already been through. So, let me help you. Let me be your friend.
But nobody's ever wanted to be my friend. To everybody, I don't even exist.
But to me, you do. I don't want to get into trouble. So hurry. So what exactly happened to your parents anyway?
parents, they became very ill, and they passed away when I was very young.
I'm so sorry. Wasn't there any other relatives you could stay with?
Nobody wanted me.
Why? You're only a child.
Don't you think I ask myself that every day? I ask myself, why was I not worthy to be loved? And I pray every day that somebody would love me. And because of you, I'd like to sing the prayers for her.
Didn't like, oh, no more.
Pero no more. Anything new today?
Yeah. I learned a lot today. I learned that after my great-grandparents passed away, my grandmother had nowhere to go because nobody wanted her. And I learned that she had nowhere warm to stay on cold nights because nobody cared. And I learned that she almost had to starve to death before anyone even gave her a chance of survival.
Child.
No, I didn't wish for any of this, okay?
You're right. This isn't what you wish for.
I'm what my grandmother wished for. So then what will happen to her when I'm gone? What will happen to her when I go back home? Nah,
I can't take it.
please do. It's a gift from me to you as proof of our friendship.
But
I think it will look great on you. See? I wanted to thank you for treating me so well while I'm away from home.
I should be thanking you for treating me so well.
You know, I'm going to miss all of this when I go back home.
When do you plan on going back home?
I'm not too sure, to be honest. Whenever my sick uncle gets better,
He seems to be getting better.
yeah. What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm just gonna miss you. That's all.
I miss you too.
Oh my god. Did you guys just see my uncle kill that chicken? Dude, true craftsmanship, man. True craftsmanship. Hey, what you looking at? Oh, you mean that girl over there?
No, her.
Where?
The pretty one right there.
Come over here. Alright, in my ratings, on a scale of 1 to 10, she said,
I don't care. She's pretty.
Alright. You know, from what I heard from the villagers, dude, she is all bad news.
I don't care. She's pretty.
You know what? I think there's something wrong with your facts. How many fingers am I holding? No, it's 3, guys. It's 3. Confirmed, 3. All right. So clearly, there's something wrong with your eyes. Well, you know what? All right, go for her. I'm just gonna find me a beautiful lady, All the way over there. Well, I just saw. See ya.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yuko muna. Dad? Oh! I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. Do you know that young lady over there?
Yeah, her name is Scott, and she's a kind, hardworking person.
She's also very beautiful.
Yeah.
Do you know she has a boyfriend? Yung lubo ng tsaka?
Yuko sa tona. Kumuna?
Wait, Hi.
Oh, hi.
Ulun din niya, and I'm new here, and I just want to tell you you're very beautiful. I'm sorry if I'm being too straightforward.
Oh, it's okay.
Who are your parents? Where are they?
My parents, they passed away when I was very young.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, but if they were here, I would have loved to tell them you were very beautiful.
Thank you for your kindness, but I hope you know that I'm poor and I have no family.
Then let me be the start of your family.
I'm sorry. It's getting late. You should go.
Wait.
How'd it go?
It went good.
Good. Wow. She just walked up by herself. That's good.
Well,
You know what? It's okay if you got rejected. Because guess what? She's not even worth it. You know? Hey, I'll make it up to you, right? We can go to my uncle's place and we can eat that dead chicken.
but to me, she's worth it.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. I saw my grandfather today.
Oh.
Yeah, he looks exactly like that. It was shocking. Very shocking.
You've been there for quite a while. Did you miss home at all?
Of course I miss home. I miss my friends, my family, my parents. But I can't think that I'm going to miss this place even more when I do go back home. I've grown so much as a person and I owe it all to you, Paul.
No, you owe it to yourself. You chose to give down too much on the first day and chose to give her folks that were meant for you. You also chose to be prepared. Or you was.
I was just doing the right thing.
And yet, you would be first to do right for God. You've grown because you allowed yourself to. And in return, you got to meet your grandmother.
I got my wish.
And so did she.
So that means it's almost time for me to go home, isn't it?
That man, what is he doing?
Maybe he's interested in Maybe because he's like me.
A good, kind-hearted person?
Didn't know that. Well, please don't. Tony, I'm
Hi again.
I already told you, you shouldn't be here.
There's no right to judges, especially after how they've been treating you. And then what I said the other day about being the start of your family.
But Nia, look at me. Look at my house. Look at everything that I've been through. You can't possibly want to spend your life with me.
I am looking, and I can provide you a new house and a new life. One where you aren't judged by misfortunes you had no control over. Yo, look up. Yo, back up.
Don't look back.
Is she? But yeah, have you seen God?
Didn't you hear?
What?
I don't know who would ever want
Wait,
you.
today?
Yes, today. That's why she's not here. That's why I have to go to the farm by myself.
I gotta go. Don't wait for me.
I was
It's
gonna
okay. I'm so happy for the both of you.
I wanted to thank you for treating me so well and showing me that there are still people out there who care. And because of you, I'm still alive, and for that I owe you my life. Don't cry. We'll see each other again.
I don't think so.
We will. And one day, when I have a daughter, I'll name her after you, and you'll get to meet her.
You promise?
Promise.
Well, I wish you and Nia a long and happy life together. Full of people who love and enjoy you both. And I'll never forget you. Ever.
God, love him more.
No matter. Goodbye, Grandpa. Goodbye, Grandma. Oh, stupid roosters. Good morning. Allie?
Yes?
Wait, I'm back. I'm back.
From where?
Are you okay? I'm fine. I miss home.
Speaking of home, your dad's been calling you all morning. I didn't want to wake you up though.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm actually late for class, so I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, hon. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I miss you and Mom.
We miss you too.
I'm coming home this weekend to look at more photos of Grandma.
Alright. Did you need to ask me any questions?
I only have one question right now.
Go for it.
Do you happen to know why Grandma called me Nza?
You didn't know this, but your grandma grew up as an orphan. No one wanted to love her. Until one day, someone did.
Who was that?
A girl named Zed. A girl who really cared about your grandmother. Your grandmother told me that this girl came out of nowhere and fed her, clothed her, and loved her. So she wanted to name her first daughter Zed, but she ended up with 3 boys. So When you were born, we decided to name you Inza after a young, kind-hearted woman who she hoped you'd be just as pretty as. And you didn't fail her. Inza,
I miss her.
I miss her too.
I look forward to coming home this weekend and learning more about her.
And I look forward to telling you all about her.
Love you, Dad. I'll talk to you soon.
I love you too. Bye.
Yeah.